Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren if you're new here, and today we're doing a grocery haul and meal plan. So I will show y'all my meal plan later when we get home, and I'll show you my whole grocery haul. I'm on the way to grocery pickup right now. I shop at H-E-B. It's just my local store here in Texas that I like the most, and it has the great prices, so that's where I like to shop. But majority of the stuff that I buy is not really H-E-B specific. You could definitely pick it up at like Walmart or like a Kroger or whatever kind of store you have. We do have Walmart here, but we don't really have anything else. Like we don't have Kroger or like Wegmans or Aldi or any of that. So kind of stuck between H-E-B and Walmart, and your girl likes H-E-B. So that's where we're headed. Got lots of stuff for the week, lots of snacks. We have a meal plan. I've got stuff for meal prep this week, and yeah, just gonna be a great week. I'm really excited. And I have a couple like treat recipes that I'm gonna try. I'm working on another TikTok recipes video. There's just so many that I want to try on TikTok, so I figure why not make it a video, you know? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the grocery haul. All right, y'all, here is the grocery haul this week. I also got a couple non-food items, spent about $100. So we have trash bags, paper towels, and some gallon freezer baggies, which we needed. And then let's go ahead and jump into the food. So starting over here with like dairy, I got the classic ranch by Bolthouse Farms. This is a staple in my house. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. 45 calories for 2 tablespoons. I'm also gonna try this oat milk creamer by Coffee Mate. I haven't tried this one, but it's pretty inexpensive. It's like $2 for this size. So I got that. Lactose-free milk for Morgan, some oat milk for me. I'm gonna make some lattes, and I also have an oatmeal recipe that I wanna try this in. And that is low fat, so it's 60 calories per cup. As far as protein goes, I got some salmon. I love to just get this little 2-piece pack at H-E-B. It's $8, and it's perfect for us. So got that. Thin sliced chicken breast, some turkey pepperoni. I have some, I got some lavash bread from Walmart. Our H-E-B doesn't really sell that Joseph's brand, or it's just harder to find. So I think we're gonna do some little pizzas this week. So I got some turkey pepperoni, also good as a snack. Extra lean ground beef, probably be for dinner this week. And then I also got the Tyson Grilled and Ready grilled chicken nuggets. So I'm excited about this. I'm gonna use some for meal prep. See if Morgan likes them, and we might buy these because we are chicken nugget people. So maybe we'll get these instead of the breaded ones from now on if they're good. Moving on to produce, we got some bananas, 2 Pink Lady apples. I've never had these, but I saw someone talking about it, and I had to try it. Although they are more expensive, these were like $1 a piece, like $1.14 a piece, so kind of pricey for fruit. But I got that. Some baby spinach for like pizzas and smoothies. Carrot sticks, which I swear I'm going to eat. I'm so bad at buying carrots and never eating them. I'm going to make little snack boxes this week, meal prep them. And I'm going to put those in there so I have to eat them. With the snack box, I'm also doing a cucumber. I also got a squash and a zucchini for a dinner this week. Got some cheese sticks. These are the double pepper. I'm getting more into spicy things, so yay for Morgan. I got the spicy cheese this time, double pepper. We really like these, and they are 80 calories per cheese stick. So those are a great snack. I got some little chocolate chips for a oats recipe I'm making. That will be in a TikTok video. These are our favorite pita chips. Oh my gosh, if y'all have H-E-B, you have to get these. They're delicious. We eat them with the red pepper hummus. Winning combo. Literally, this won't last 48 hours. We love these so much. This was actually, whoops, a few items were like on coupon. Like it was like buy something I was already buying and get something for free, or it was get the item that I was buying for free if I bought something else. So I did that, and that gave us this Skippy peanut butter. We've never had this brand, but we like peanut butter, so I did pick up that. We also got some chewy bars. I love this variety pack that H-E-B has. It has chocolate chip, peanut butter chocolate chip, and s'mores. These are great grab and go for mornings or snack times. We got some tortilla chips. This was also, both of these were like coupon related, but we got some of these. We love the blue corn tortilla chips, and we do have about half a jar of salsa we're trying to get through, so that worked out good. Wavy original, you know, like they're basically Ruffles or like wavy Lays essentially. And then as far as bread, I picked up these English muffins. I think these were also somehow related to a coupon. So I did pick up these, and these are just the original. I usually get the light. These are 150 calories. I think I'm going to do some breakfast sandwiches with egg and turkey sausage this week, so that will be delicious. Got the multigrain Sara Lee 45-calorie bread. I like this stuff. It just tastes like normal bread, and it's 45 calories, so I just feel like why waste any calories when this tastes exactly like regular bread. And then we picked up the sparkling water, lime and watermelon one, just to make sure we're stocked up. And that is pretty much everything we got for the week. I'm gonna meal prep. I saw this idea on TikTok, these grilled chicken nuggets mixed with this G. Hughes sugar-free orange ginger marinade as a sauce, so like an orange chicken style thing. So I wanted to give that a try, and then I just pulled some stuff out of the fridge and freezer that I already had. So I've got some whole frozen green beans. These are just steamable, so I'm going to add those. I'm also going to do some of this cauliflower rice. I think I'm going to cook like half of this. I'm only going to do 2 days because I'm a little bit worried I'm not going to like this. I've tried G. Hughes like probably 2 years ago. Wasn't a huge fan, to be honest. So I just don't want to make a full 4 days worth if it ends up sucking. So I'm just going to do about 2 days. So I'll do half a bag of this. I'm going to mix it with some regular jasmine rice as well. I'm going to add some red pepper to the rice just because I have it in the fridge that needs to be used, and just some garlic to help season it. And I also think I kind of want to try the Trader Joe's Cuban style citrusy garlic with the rice. I don't know. I just think that might be good. So I might add a little bit of that to the rice along with some like soy sauce. We'll see how that goes. And I'm going to add, I only have one of these minute rices left, and it is, I'm so confused. I'm pretty sure one of these is 200 calories. So yeah, one of these is 200 calories. So I'm just going to use this. I'm going to cook it up really quick and then dump it in here. That citrusy garlic is very citrusy. I tasted it first and I'm glad I did because it is very strong. I only added a little bit, and this rice is flavorful, and I think it's actually going to go really well with that orange chicken. So yay for that. Do you take this off? Yeah, okay. Funny story about these. I used to think that you were supposed to leave the thing on, like the thing on the top, so I would microwave it and it would puff up and then explode in the microwave. And I thought, wow, their system, like, this is stupid because it just explodes. And Morgan was like, you're supposed to take that off. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. Set of redirections. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. And let's move on to the chicken. I also just pulled the green beans out of the microwave. I'm gonna probably throw these in a skillet and just season them up before I put them in the container. We're going to add this. It's 5 calories per tablespoon. I remember the TikTok said a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons. This is gonna be for 2 lunches. We'll see where that puts us. Okay, I just filmed a whole clip and the lighting is so bad and it's like off focus, so I'm just gonna tell you what happened. I tried this. I'm so glad I tried it first. I hate it. I think it's disgusting. It has like good ingredients. I don't know. To me, it just has this, it's like that gross fake sugar aftertaste, but the whole thing tastes like that. I'm not getting orange at all. Like, I don't know. It doesn't taste anything like any sauce I've ever had. I hate it. Hate it. I couldn't even eat it. I'm so glad I did not put this on my chicken. I think it's gross. And that this is exactly how I remember the last G Hughes thing I tried. I tried their barbecue sauce like right as it came out years ago. Hated it. I like am so confused how everybody likes it, but I just think it's gross. I wish I liked it because the ingredients really aren't bad. Can you see that? I don't know if that's focusing. It's water, tamari soy sauce, orange juice concentrate, garlic, green onion vinegar, sesame seed oil, ginger, xanthan gum, and sucralose. And it's 5 calories per tablespoon, and I hate it. I just think it's nasty. So I'm glad I didn't add that. And I did add, let me show you, this, again, the Mongolian sauce. It's so good. I haven't ever had it on chicken though. I always do this with like ground beef or ground turkey, and it's really good. But yeah, I just put it on the chicken and it looks amazing. I had a little bite and it tastes amazing. Really like that chicken. That is gonna be such a good meal prep hack if you don't like working with raw chicken or you just don't feel like cooking it. These are really good. So definitely give them a try. They were a little pricey, that bag. It says it's 6 servings. I'd say like 4 or 5. But it was like $6. So I do wish it was a little bit cheaper. I bet I could probably get it cheaper at Walmart. But anyways, the rice turned out really delicious as well. That seasoning is very strong. Yeah, that's good. That citrusy garlic is very citrusy. And I just cooked up a rice. Let me just bring you over here. Why am I acting like I can't move that camera? Okay, so this is just a cup of jasmine rice. That's 200 calories. I'm just gonna mix it in, and we're gonna divide this. Honestly, those cauliflower rices don't yield a lot of rice. Like, it's basically 2 servings, I would say. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by adding the rice. Okay, so the green beans are steamed. I just dumped them in there, kind of a lot. I mean, I'll have to save some of these for dinner for the week, but that'll be perfect. Some already prepped vegetables, love it. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce and a little garlic, salt and pepper. We'll be good to go. All right, we've got the green beans ready to go. All right, here is the final product. Tell me that's not one of the best looking meal preps I've ever made. I'm just saying. Looks awesome. Everything tastes delicious. I actually really like these green beans. They definitely need seasoning, so make sure you season them, but I really like them. I think the texture is great, and yeah, I'm a fan. So I'm just gonna wait for these to cool, put a lid on it, and we've got lunch ready to go for 2 days.